In the heart of the medieval kingdom of Eldoria, nestled between rolling green hills and towering oak trees, stood Willow Keep, a grand stone castle surrounded by a bustling village. People in flowing tunics, leather boots, and heavy cloaks filled the cobblestone streets, while wooden carts creaked under the weight of fresh bread, golden apples, and barrels of mead. Horses trotted past blacksmiths hammering swords, and children chased each other around stone cottages with thatched roofs. Inside the castle, young Prince Edwin sat by the great wooden window, gazing at the courtyard below. His golden tunic shimmered under the candlelight, but his heart was troubled. His father, King Aldric, had grown ill, and the royal healers could find no cure. Only the silver petal, a rare flower that blooms once every 10 years, can save him, the old healer had said. Determined to save his father, Edwin set off on a quest. He donned his dark green cloak, strapped a small sword to his belt, and saddled his loyal horse, Storm. The journey led him beyond the village, through dense forests where mist curled around the gnarled roots. Owls hooted from stone towers, and knights on horseback rode past, their armor glinting in the moonlight. At the heart of the whispering woods, Edwin met Mera, a young girl dressed in a simple woolen gown. She lived in a small wooden cottage and knew the forest well. The silver petal grows in the enchanted glen, she told him, but it is guarded by the shadow raven. Undeterred, the two children ventured forward. They crossed wooden bridges over roaring rivers, climbed mossy stone walls, and sneaked past watchful guards in steel helmets. When they reached the enchanted glen, an airy silence filled the air. The shadow raven, a massive black bird with glowing red eyes, perched atop an ancient stone arch. "You seek the silver petal?" it croaked. "Only one of pure heart may take it." Edwin stepped forward. "I do not seek power or gold," he said bravely. "I only wish to save my father." The shadow raven tilted its head and then, with a great cry, flapped its wings. A hidden path of glowing stones appeared, leading to a small crystal-clear pool where the silver petal bloomed. Carefully, Edwin plucked the shimmering flower. Racing back to the castle, Edwin and Mera arrived just in time. The healer crushed the silver petal into a golden potion, which the king drank. Within moments, color returned to his face, and he sat up, smiling at his son. "You have proven yourself not only as a prince," the king said, placing a heavy golden medallion around Edwin's neck, "but as a true hero." The village erupted in celebration, with music, dancing, and feasts in the torchlit halls of Willow Keep. And from that day forward, the legend of Prince Edwin and the silver petal was told in every corner of ELD.